Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are going to look at number problems, specifically focusing on consecutive integers. This is a very common type of word problem you will encounter in introductory algebra classes. First, let's define what we mean by consecutive integers. These are simply numbers that follow each other in order, from smallest to largest, without any skipping. For example, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are consecutive. If you look at the number line, you can see that the distance, or difference, between each neighbor is exactly 1. Now, how do we write this in algebra? Since we don't know the starting number, we assign it the variable x. To get the next number, we just add 1. So the second number is x plus 1. The third number is x plus 2, and so on. This pattern is crucial for setting up your equations. Sometimes a problem will ask for consecutive even or consecutive odd integers. For even numbers like 2, 4, and 6, you have to jump 2 steps to get to the next even number. Surprisingly, the same rule applies to odd numbers like 3, 5, and 7. You still add 2 to get to the next odd number. So for both cases, use the formula x plus 2, and x plus 4. Let's try a problem. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 36. Find the numbers. First, we define our variables as x plus 1, and x plus 2. The word sum tells us to add them all together and set them equal to 36. Now we solve the equation. First, combine the like terms. We have 3 x's, so that is 3x1 plus 2 equals 3. So our equation becomes 3x plus 3 equals 36. We subtract 3 from both sides to get 3x equals 33. Finally, dividing by 3 gives us x equals 11. Since x equals 11, our first number is 11. The next number is 11 plus 1, which is 12, and the third is 13. A quick check shows that 11 plus 12 plus 13 indeed equals 36. Here is a slightly trickier one. Find 3 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 57. Because the problem says odd, we must change our setup. We will use x plus 2, and x plus 4. We add these groups together and set the total to 57. Combining our terms again, we get 3x plus 6 equals 57. Subtracting 6 from both sides gives us 3x equals 51. Divide by 3, and we find that x is 17. That gives us our 3 odd numbers, 17, 19, and 21. To wrap up, remember these 2 patterns. For regular consecutive integers, add 1 each time, x plus 1, x plus 2. For consecutive even or odd integers, add 2 each time, x plus 2, x plus 4. Always read the question carefully to see which type you need.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.